This is Jimmy Tager with the National Weather Service in Raleigh, here to cover the expected weather from Thursday to Wednesday, October 13th to the 19th for the routine weekly briefing. Getting started, here's a look at 11 a.m. radar and temperatures across the region. And the rain that we had seen earlier today has mostly moved out of the region, but we do have a little bit more on tap. We have a cold front that's going to be moving southeast towards the area later today into this evening, and that's going to create some rain, some showers, and possibly even some thunderstorms as it moves across the area later today. So currently we're in the mid 60s, just look, some low 70s, but some cold air is behind that front, well along the Midwest where they're seeing some colder weather. As we get through the week, we'll have the cold front move through today, and then we'll have high pressure build over the area for the next couple days. So really, today is our only chance the next couple days to get some rain. Then as we get into tomorrow, Friday and Saturday, it will be dry. Temperatures are still going to be around normal this time of year, maybe a little bit above in the 70s. The big difference, though, after the cold front passes, we'll have some drier air move in. Dew point temperatures will lower, and our mornings will become a little chilly again. As we get into later this weekend, early next week, we got another cold front on top that'll move through basically late Sunday through Monday, and that'll create rain chances Sunday and Monday. And then after that, we've got some strong, cold, high pressure that's going to build across the region and create some chilly weather for us for the middle of next week. So really, out of the next 5 days, our main chance of rain is today. We had those higher amounts move through earlier today with the showers first thing this morning, and then later today the coverage of showers isn't going to be as big as it was this morning, so expect it to be a little bit more scattered as it moves across the area. Not sure why there's any rain on here on this graphic on Friday. Friday should be dry. If anything, this is going to be really early Friday morning, anything that's departing, but Friday should be dry across our area along with Saturday. Then come Sunday, by late Sunday, we'll expect to see some showers moving across the western areas, and then Monday, as that cold front moves across the region, it will be our next chance of rain. Here is the latest and greatest drought update that was just issued this morning. This graphic is courtesy of the North Carolina Climate Office, and really the only change, just a little bit more expansion of the D0 abnormally dry area across extreme western portions of North Carolina. So we hadn't changed a whole lot. As you can read here, it's basically because the temperatures weren't all too high. So we had some cooler weather that helped to kind of mitigate a whole increase in the drought for the past week. And of course, what fell this morning isn't incorporated on this image. That'll be incorporated into next week's update. Although we've got some rain moving through later today, not expecting any flash flooding at this point. They should be mostly light to moderate showers and a few heavier showers, but really not leading to any flash flooding. We do have an update to our severe weather outlook for today. So the past couple hours, SPC updated and really took out most of our area out of that marginal risk for severe storms. So just extreme northeast central North Carolina is still under the marginal, but otherwise we're just kind of in that general thunder outlook category. So maybe some storms in the extreme northeast could have strong wind gusts later today, but really not expecting much across central North Carolina. And as we go through the next week, not really expecting any severe weather at this point. We'll keep an eye on things for Monday as that cold front moves through. That cold weather I was talking about for the middle of next week looks pretty cold. So this is our current forecast for Wednesday on the left here. Highs in the mid to upper 50s to low 60s, and we should start to see some more lows in the 30s. This is the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. It was issued yesterday. And as you can see, we're in that 80 to 90% of likely below normal temperatures. So higher confidence in it being really cold, about 10 to 15 degrees below seasonal normals for highs, and about 5 to 15 degrees below normal for lows. The tropics aren't all too active. We still have Tropical Storm Carl out there, and that won't be a threat to us. And then keeping an eye on a disturbance that's well to the east, and this is for the next 5 days, the outlook. So it's got a small chance in the next 5 days and becoming anything tropical, but we'll keep an eye on that and let you know if anything changes. Beyond 7 days, this was updated yesterday by the Climate Prediction Center. So this covers Temperatures from October 20th to the 26th, and we're still in that below normal favorite, so still expecting cooler weather getting in towards the end of October. As far as precipitation goes, from the 20th to the 26th, we're mostly in that below normal favorite area, so we're not expecting a whole lot of rain as we get towards the end of October. What's compared to normal for temperatures? This is updated, so this is as of today. Our normal high for the Raleigh area is 74, and the normal low is 52. In summary, we've got a little bit of wet weather today, drying out over the next couple days. More wet weather coming Sunday into Monday, and then cold, cold, cold coming in the middle of next week. Probably the coldest weather we've seen so far this season. As far as hazards and impacts go, we could see some strong wind gusts or two with storms developing later today, and then maybe some patchy frost middle of next week. So those sensitive plants might start to get affected as temperatures dip down into the 30s. Below here is the Raleigh area forecast through Monday. And on that, have a great week.